Gross margin is a fundamental metric that tells you how efficiently a company produces its goods or services. It measures the percentage of revenue remaining after subtracting the direct costs of creating the product. The formula is simple, but it reveals a lot about a company's pricing power and manufacturing efficiency. Investors look at this to see if a company has a competitive advantage or if its costs are spiraling out of control. Gross margin only looks at direct production costs, while net margin takes every single business expense into account. Margins vary wildly by industry. A software company usually has much higher margins than a grocery store due to lower physical production costs. Always compare apples to apples when looking at these percentages to get a true sense of performance. Use these tools to better understand business health. Thanks for watching and keep learning about how markets work.